Hello there, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria Isorda, and I'm a clinical licensed esthetician and certified makeup artist for almost 15 years. Today's subject is do-it-yourself mask at home. Now, I've been wanting to do this for a very long time, and I decided, okay, why not share this 2 ingredients that you could use personally at home. So one of them is honey. You could use raw honey as well too, but I decided to get this at my local grocery store. And the other one is, because I already had this plant, is the Aloe Vera plant. I already scraped it out. It's more gelatin, gooey feel. So what I used is I mixed 1 teaspoon of aloe vera in here and 2 teaspoons of honey. And then I mixed it. And then you apply it. So what you want to do is you want to cleanse your skin first. Personally, for me, I like to exfoliate. Then I like to apply this mask and leave it on for about 15 to 30 minutes. They're great, powerful antioxidants on both ingredients. And I like it that because I didn't want to go to the store and read all the ingredients, what's in there, what are their benefits. And the reason why I decided to do it personally at home, because I know what's in my mask. And yes, I understand that it's time consuming, but this was totally easy. I mean, if you have an aloe vera plant, I mean, go for it. But if you don't and you're at the grocery store and you need to buy a couple of things, I feel like the aloe vera gel is as good, but not as powerful and potent and antioxidant as this one. So I have mixed already the honey and the aloe vera plant, and this much that I made, it's gonna last you probably 3 to 5 days. I like to store this in the fridge, and every time you use your brush or you use a cotton pad or your fingers, what you want to do is just make sure you rinse this the brush off and then soap it and air dry it so you could use it the next day. So I really love this, so I'm gonna apply it on so you guys could see. These are the benefits of honey for any type of skin. It has antibacterial and antiseptic properties. It helps getting rid of dirt and bacteria, perfect for both prevent and treat acne. It has antioxidants that boost collagen. 1, prevents aging plus boosts dewy, glowy skin. It also hydrates, moisturizes, even the driest skin conditions. It soothes, helps nourish damaged skin, fades scars, clarifying agents, naturally open pores, powerful enzymes that will naturally and gentle exfoliate your skin. It also helps with sloughing off dead skin cells, leaving your skin a luminous and vibrant complexion. Aloe vera benefits for your skin. Antioxidants, powerful enzymes, has vitamin A and C, highly anti-inflammatory. It helps with moisturizing. It treats acne, burns, even the driest skin, like eczema and psoriasis. It's been a very long time. I got it many years ago, and I wanted to catch up and just read and update my brain a little bit how to do future makeup for myself and for my clients. So Face Forward, love it, by Kevin O'Kwan. By the way, his makeup's amazing. So I'm leaving my mask on for about 15 minutes. By steaming your face with a towel or a steamer, it opens up your pores and helps loosen any buildup of dirt for a deeper cleanse. It also, by opening your pores, also softens blackheads, making them easier to remove. It promotes circulations, combination of warm steam, and increases perspiration, dilute your blood vessels, and increases circulation. These are all the other benefits that could actually help you by steaming your face. It helps your skin better absorb skincare products. It promotes collagen. It's soothing. It helps with sinuses congestion. And of course, it's affordable and accessible at home. you guys enjoyed this video by doing do-it-yourself mask. It's easy for busy moms, busy wives. Can you guys hear my son? And also, I mean, when you have a 3-year-old toddler and you only have very little time just to get away for 5 minutes, I mean, this is like heaven for me. So just treating myself, this actually really made me feel good. My skin looks flawless. It gave me that natural, luminous, dewy glow that I was looking for. Sometimes, you know, we're so busy as wives and moms, we forget to take care of us. We are important too, so we gotta take care of us. Even if it's 20 minutes, 30 minutes of your time just for yourself, this is really nice. Just being alone in this room and just taking care of me. So I didn't have to go to the store and look at the ingredients, what's best for my skin, the benefits for it. So I didn't want to do all that. So my research for this was just simple: honey and aloe vera. Lucky me, I had both. I had aloe vera plant at home and honey that I already had. I use for my tea and other do-it-yourself masks. So I'm excited to share more do-it-yourself masks, any treatments that I'm going to be doing, also beauty hacks. I'm enjoying these beauty hacks. I think they're kind of cool to actually explore and learn something different. As a makeup artist, you always learn something different. So please stay tuned for the rest of my future videos. Oh my god, mommy brain. Or also, if you really like this video, please do thumbs up. If you want to comment below, please do so. And also do a reminder if you actually want to get reminders of my future videos. Comment below if you want me to do any other special videos personally for yourself. This video was actually meant for one of my amigas. And she is going through a tough time going through post-chemo. And I know about going through all that radiation, any of the other treatments that you may be getting, your skin just goes through hell going through all that. But just pampering yourself, giving that glow, and just feeling moisturized, this is an amazing mask. Thank you so much for watching, and amiga, thank you for texting me and letting me know what you wanted to see and what video you wanted me to do for you. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful, beautiful and blessed day. Stay tuned for the rest of my future videos. Bye.